Quick demo to show you how the upscale feature works. So again, we're working on our new packaging box in a zoomed out format. Now, what can happen in using the zoom out tool is that we lose some crispness on the design here. So now I'm going to try and upscale it to improve the crispness and the resolution. So I'm going to click on upscale. We have two options here. Either you can improve by 2x, i.e. increasing the size by 2x and the resolution will improve, or 4x. In this example, I'm going to attempt 4x, and I'm going to click generate. Great, so here you see now I've got a 4x upscaled image. We're going to zoom in and see what that's done. So as you can see, it's crispened up my logo and also the edges of the coral design. So I'm pretty happy with that. On this small text, it doesn't do quite as well. And so when you're using the upscale tool, kind of consider how it's going to impact on very small text. But that is, the end of this demo. I'm going to apply that edit because I'm happy with it, and I will save it as a copy.